Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to remove Microsoft Authenticator from your account first. Go to Chrome and log in using your Microsoft account at Microsoft.com. Click on your profile icon. Go to My Microsoft account. And from there, go to Security on the left side. Go to Manage How I Sign In. And you will see there are three methods of logging in. One is enter password, second is email a code, and third one is send sign-in notification. Click on the third option and click on Remove. Click Remove, and that's it. The Microsoft Authenticator app has been removed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our next DelftStack tutorial videos.